Welcome to Italy, a land rich in culture, heritage, and industry. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Milan, Italy's key sectors face unique challenges shaped by its diverse geography and vibrant economy. Let's delve into the heart of Italy's industrial landscape. Enter EDDY Pump, the beacon of solutions for Italy's pump and dredge equipment needs. In Italy's economic fabric, EDDY Pump stands tall, offering state-of-the-art slurry pumps and dredging equipment tailored to elevate key sectors like wine, luxury goods, precision machinery, and more. Explore a range of cutting-edge solutions designed to tackle Italy's industrial challenges head-on. Italy's coastal industries grapple with sedimentation, while inland sectors face logistical complexities. EDDY Pump's innovative technologies offer efficient material transfer and infrastructure maintenance, ensuring seamless operations across the board. EDDY Pump is the backbone of Italy's industrial resilience, from clearing waterways for wine shipments to maintaining port infrastructure for luxury goods. Strategically located in Milan, Rome, and Florence, EDDY Pump stands ready to meet Italy's industrial needs. Choose EDDY Pump for reliable pump and dredge equipment solutions tailored to Italy's diverse industries. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.